Namaste DP fam, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hi, I am Deepthi and today we are embracing a rainy evening with all the cozy vibes. It's been a pretty busy day, but knowing Subro will be here to pick me up always makes things better. Subro and I use this time to unwind and chat about our day. We are home now and Subro is going to make us some coffee. It's the perfect way to end the day and welcome the evening. While Subro is taking care of the coffee, I am just giving our plants some much needed water. It's a small task, but I find it really relaxing. It's a little ritual that helps me unwind. Tonight, we are making cream of mushroom soup. It's the perfect cozy meal for a rainy evening. Cream of mushroom soup is one of our favorite. It's creamy, comforting, and just right for a chilly rainy night. Now I am starting by heating oil with some butter and then sauteing the mushrooms, onion and garlic to build the flavor. I also added salt to it. Now once the mushrooms are nicely sauteed, I added corn flour and milk to it and cooked for a while. है ना गोल वाला बहुत सारे I then took a small portion of that soup and grinded it to a fine paste, which I then added back to the soup. इसमें अभी और भी जाना बाकी है। अभी बोला वापस। रुक रुक रुक, एक मिनट इधर देखते नमक है ना। ठीक है ना, बस बस। I ended the cooking by adding a pinch of Italian mix. And here is the finished soup. It's rich, creamy, and just perfect for a rainy night. I'm just so excited to dig in. Thank you so much for joining us on this rainy evening. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into our cozy routine. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I would love to hear how you spend your rainy evenings. Let me know in the comments. I'll meet you in the next one super soon. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and bye bye.